इस टूर्नामेंट में केप टाउन में पहली बार खेल रही श्रीलंकाई टीम टॉस हार गई। पिच के लिहाज से टॉस जीतना अहम था, जिसका फायदा उठाने के लिए ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने पहले फील्डिंग करने का फैसला किया। पेस अटैक का सामना करने आई अनुभवी सनत जयसूर्या और उपुल थरंगा की जोड़ी।
श्रीलंका straight away off the mark. And Jayasuriya on strike. He's a funny player to watch, Jayasuriya. He's got all these little idiosyncrasies. He's quite a nervy character when he starts, and he has to sort of touch his pads and all sorts of things, doesn't he?
Absolutely, and maybe sort of a good 10-15 places he needs to touch. So umpire Ian Howell, one of the umpires in this game, took it with
पारी की शुरुआत में ही ब्रेट ली ने जयसूर्या को परेशान करने वाली गेंद डाली।
Through to the keeper and a big shout. It was a flick at the top of the pad. You could hear the pad noise come through. Brett Lee feeling there might have been an inside edge also.
Would appear to be an indication of things to come, at least in these initial overs. Checking back, the flap of the pad.
अगली ही गेंद पर ब्रेट ली ने जयसूर्या की पारी खत्म कर दी। स्कोर था सिर्फ 1 रन।
The big wicket of Jayasuriya. He's been out of sorts the last couple of fixtures, and again has been undone without scoring. Brett Lee right on the money. Jayasuriya's first ball from Lee was a beauty. It decked back at him, and this one a little fuller, and I dare say some shape back in.
इस टूर्नामेंट में लगातार दूसरी बार जयसूर्या बिना खाता खोले पवेलियन लौटे।
1 for 1.
Yes, but Lee, this is excellent bowling from him, as you say, kept the ball up and got the movement which he desired earlier on. Jayasuriya right on the knee roll, and there was no doubt in the mind of umpire Azad Rao. So Australia have struck. They've got the most influential man in the Sri Lankan camp.
In the air, and 3 men sort of patrolling that point region, somehow sneaking in between.
Batsman would be just waiting for those deliveries with width, as did Sangakkar on that occasion. Just managed to get it into the gap, but rather dangerously, as there was plenty of time in the air.
I suppose you just got to keep going, don't you?
दूसरी कामयाबी दिलाई नेथन ब्रैकन ने।
About 20 yards, but it was a leading edge because of the swing that Bracken is producing.
सिर्फ 9 रन पर श्रीलंका की सलामी जोड़ी पवेलियन में जा बैठी।
So dangerous, but he's out. Gone for 4, 9 for 2.
Thuranga hasn't really come to terms with this 20.
ऑस्ट्रेलियाई टीम इस अहम मुकाबले का शानदार आगाज कर चुकी थी।
It should be out. It is. It just got to Stewart.
लंकाई टीम को तीसरा झटका। ब्रेट ली की इस मैच की सबसे बड़ी कामयाबी।
Jay Warner trying to flick it into the onside. The ball is moving away.
श्रीलंका के कप्तान महिला जयवर्धने की विकेट ने ऑस्ट्रेलियाई टीम को मजबूत स्थिति में ला दिया।
So the keeper's got,
इस टूर्नामेंट में श्रीलंका के लिए सबसे ज्यादा रन बनाने वाले जयवर्धने सिर्फ 11 रन पर 7 छोड़कर चल दिए।
Flicking through that mid-wicket region, but a very good catch indeed. Dropping on him, but got his fingers nicely under it.
This should be out as well. Oh, he's put it down. Opportunity for a high-flying catch. I don't know that it was that hard. He made good ground and then just couldn't claw it.
Yes, I think the timing of the jump really wasn't quite right. That wasn't too difficult.
It's Mitchell Johnson. He's been bowling nicely so far in this competition. It'll run away for 4. Slight relief.
It's a welcome boundary at this stage. Shamar Silva, he's a busy little player and will always look for those nudges and flicks around. Sri Lanka will need to rely on him at these early stages.
पावर प्ले का आखिरी ओवर लेकर आए स्टुअर्ट क्लार्क। वो इस टूर्नामेंट में टीम के सबसे सफल गेंदबाज थे।
Another batsman for
ऑस्ट्रेलियाई फैंस को यहाँ भी उनसे कुछ ऐसे ही करने की उम्मीद थी।
in real trouble here, losing a
उम्मीदों पर खरे उतरे स्टुअर्ट क्लार्क। थर्ड मैन बाउंड्री पर साथ दिया ब्रेट ली ने।
the loser goes home. And so
श्रीलंकाई बल्लेबाज के पास ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पेस अटैक का कोई जवाब नहीं था।
Australia, Jamara Silva gone for 6, 21 for 4.
स्कोर हो गया सिर्फ 21 रन पर 4 विकेट।
That awkward length. Brett Lee's the ace catcher so far on the Australian side, and he's been at third man.
It's been a tough go on this surface. I wonder if Mahela Jayawardene can enlighten us as to batting out there. He's with Graham Gooch.
इस टूर्नामेंट में श्रीलंका के साथ इससे बुरा कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता था। स्कोर महज 30 रन और आधी टीम पवेलियन में जा बैठी। क्लार्क की ये दूसरी सफलता थी।
Another wicket goes down. Sri Lanka, they're 5 down. Back to the commentary box.
Yes, that's for sure. Sri Lanka losing their way big time. Dilshan goes for 3, 30 for 5. That's gone very fine. Australia have had that long leg very wide. That was just a lovely tickle.
He really strays onto the pads, Stuart Clark.
श्रीलंका के मिडिल ऑर्डर की सबसे मजबूत कड़ी कुमारा संगकारा के कंधों पर अब बड़ी जिम्मेदारी थी।
Sangakkara just a little shimmy down the pitch to get some momentum.
The only bloke in any
स्टुअर्ट क्लार्क के पास चौके का जवाब था। संगकारा भी चलते बने।
Gone.
श्रीलंका को 43 रन पर छठवां झटका लगा। ब्रेट ली की शुरुआत को अब क्लार्क आगे बढ़ा रहे थे।
Room to get the arms through.
अपने तीसरे ओवर में ही उन्होंने श्रीलंका की हालत पतली कर दी।
3 for 6.
But he knew the third man was up, so therefore he was trying to get it behind point, bring up a boundary. Only succeeded in picking out.
Much work to do for the aggressive all-round player Fabius Maher.
स्टुअर्ट क्लार्क को चौथी सफलता साथ दिया माइकल क्लार्क के शानदार कैच ने।
Brilliant indeed. Well, Michael Clark thinks he's got his man. The finger goes up. Maroof was making his way back into his crease. Australia on top of their game in this virtual quarter-final.
10 ओवर भी पूरे नहीं हुए थे और श्रीलंका ने ऑस्ट्रेलियाई गेंदबाजों के सामने घुटने टेक दिए। यहाँ से टीम के लिए 100 रन पूरे करना भी मुश्किल लग रहा था।
Maroof doesn't seem too convinced.
अब क्रीज पर थे चामिंडा वास, उनके साथ थे जेहान मुबारक।
The run away for 4. Could have been a catch.
Yes, all those runs would count for Sri Lanka. They'll take anything at this stage, but they need to really blame themselves for the situation, the poor state they are in. Chaminda Was is one of them who really doesn't throw his wicket away.
Shot. There's been few and far.
11वें ओवर में श्रीलंकाई टीम 50 रन तक पहुंच पाई।
And also if there's been any player that the Sri Lankans would look to at this stage, it's going to be Mubarak, who's the man who's been in form. That's a glorious shot.
चामिंडा वास और जेहान मुबारक की कोशिश थी कि टीम 20 ओवर खेले।
Got a couple more. Just one more. Now they're going back for the second. That's a misfield. Very unlike Australia. So 12 from the over. 11 bowled, 55 for 7. Bracken's in now. Ooh, it's a poor ball to start, and it's been put away for 4. Fine leg is up. That's an invitation for Mubarak.
He does get nicely inside the line and put that away.
Well, Stuart Clark's figure's outstanding, and the fielder's backing him up, and that's what you need in this form of cricket, in any cricket, especially 2020. Outstanding fielding.
वास और मुबारक की 40 रन की पार्टनरशिप का अंत 17वें ओवर में हुआ।
Swallow it, in fact.
शेन वॉटसन ने जेहान मुबारक का विकेट लेकर श्रीलंका को 8वां झटका दिया।
Down. They've only made 83 runs.
अब तक सिर्फ 83 रन ही बने थे। मुबारक ने सबसे ज्यादा 28 रन बनाए।
is a record for 2020. Another Skyer. And those big, safe hands of Andrew Simons under that ball. Time to settle himself.
One flicked in the air. Matthew Hayden just couldn't get there. Matthew Hayden was racing in. The unit, they call him. He's such a big unit.
He's a big unit. He's an Amazon, isn't he? Tarzan, almost.
Smack down the ground by Vass. Only the single. Very frustrating for them not being able to get the boundaries.
Sometimes you can afford to get yourself in a little bit. You can always get it back later if you've got wickets in hand.
The big swing, and now Andrew Simons diving forward. Has he got his fingers under it? We'll just see whether he wants to claim it or not. He doesn't. 18 overs gone, 91 for 8.
As Andrew Simons comes in, pace off the mark, diving forward, and here to see there, tried to claim the catch, quite rightly. Often in those situations you close your eyes when you dive forward.
लसित मलिंगा ने खेला एक बेहतरीन शॉट।
Gonna drift over the rope just.
पिछले 18 ओवर से संकट झेल रही श्रीलंकाई पारी की तरफ से पहला छक्का आया।
See him go.
अब टीम 100 रन के करीब आ चुकी थी। पारी की 9 गेंदें बाकी थी।
Excellent slow ball there. It's being smacked by Vass, but it's straight to Brett Lee, who takes
ब्रेट ली ने शानदार कैच लेकर चामिंडा वास को भी चलता कर दिया।
Australia
इस मैच में ली का ये तीसरा कैच था।
today with full commitment, but as I said earlier,
100 से सिर्फ 1 रन दूर श्रीलंकाई टीम को अब सिर्फ आखिरी विकेट का सहारा था।
Lanka have not been able to stop the rot. So Chaminda Vass, 21, 99 for 9.
Well, every time Sri Lanka attempt a big shot, goes in the deep, they pick out a fielder.
Fernando now. He hasn't got hold of that.
इस तरह सिर्फ 101 रन का टारगेट दे पाई श्रीलंकाई टीम।
A disappointing 101. This is a quarter final, don't forget.
T20 वर्ल्ड कप 2007 के सेमीफाइनल में जाने के लिए ऑस्ट्रेलिया की राह मुश्किल नहीं थी।
2 balls, very poor shot to finish. The Australian fielders congratulating themselves. Why wouldn't they? And this is the wicket again. Slower ball from Nathan Bracken, particularly good at bowling that delivery. Takes the catch himself. And the Sri Lankan innings comes to a finish off 19.3 overs. Only 101 on the board.
Sri Lanka will be so disappointed with their efforts. 101, just not good enough, you feel, and the conditions here. Yeah, the pitch is a little bit slow, but it was outstanding bowling from the outset with Australia. Bracken was getting the ball to move away from the left-handers.
एडम गिलक्रिस्ट और मैथ्यू हेडन की धुआंधार पारी T20 धमाका में देखेंगे एक ब्रेक के बाद।
Lee didn't do too bad also, 2 for 27.
सेमीफाइनल में जाने के लिए बल्लेबाजों को 102 रन बनाने थे। एडम गिलक्रिस्ट और मैथ्यू हेडन की जोड़ी मैदान पर आई। गेंद थी चामिंडा वास के हाथों में। मैथ्यू हेडन ने आते ही अपने इरादे जाहिर कर दिए। चामिंडा वास की गेंद पहुंची मिड विकेट बाउंड्री के बाहर।
Front foot no ball, I think it will be a free hit. Just the power of someone like Heaton gets the ball over and across the outfield.
Well, this mightn't do much for Chaminda Vass's economy rate. Tiger Lance, who wasn't a small guy himself, Tiger Lance was probably 6'2", 6'3", played in the late 60s, early 70s for South Africa.
Just past Malinga at mid-off. It's not been a pitch where you could say it's been easy to drive the ball. Could have gone to Malinga. Instead it brings Hayden 4.
I think mid-off, Malinga thought that he had a chance of a catch there at 1 second, and the ball just kept rising. It's like a 727 taking off.
गिलक्रिस्ट थोड़ा संभल कर खेल रहे थे, लेकिन अब उन्होंने भी हाथ खोलने का फैसला किया।
Plugs in the outfield, but it'll still run to the boundary line. Tell you what, it is helpful to have a couple of players at the top with the power that can be generated by Gilchrist and Hayden, even on this slow surface.
Yeah, I think they've adopted the Welsh rugby coach's philosophy. They're getting the retaliation in first. They're setting the pattern, and I think Joe Varden has got to try and change things. He's got to let them know they're trying to get them out.
Tell you what, Sri Lanka would have seen enough of them this year, certainly. And the match gone through for buys.
4 ओवर में ऑस्ट्रेलियाई सलामी जोड़ी ने 29 रन जोड़ दिए।
Safe. Just the sheer strength takes it just about 10 or 15 yards away from the boundary.
5वां ओवर लेकर आए परवीज महारूफ, हेडन और गिलक्रिस्ट ने यहां से हमला तेज किया।
Starting to find footing. Spend time at the crease. These two opening batsmen.
See that pull shot from Gilchrist, but also he's got that ability to drive as well.
Suckered Maharoof into it. First one was driven and then he tried to adjust his length. Doesn't want to get too close.
एडम गिलक्रिस्ट और मैथ्यू हेडन के सामने कोई गेंदबाज नहीं टिक रहा था।
Another swat through mid-wicket. Maharoof under pressure straight away. No wickets yet for Sri Lanka, only defending 101.
When you look around the field at the moment, there's only 2 guys out there who believe that their team can win.
And that's what we mean. It's decent, but it encourages good stroke play. 5 overs gone, 44 without loss. An expensive over 15 runs from the first Maharoof over.
Just a bit too wide and it's smashed away. That's the 50 up for Australia.
पावर प्ले के 6 ओवर में ही ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने जीत का आधा लक्ष्य पार कर लिया।
Fernando, he's been absolutely marvellous. A rare occasion where he's straight outside off stump. These Aussies, they revel on deliveries like that. The 50 partnership's been brought in. 50 without loss.
Was beautifully timed off his toes. That's consecutive boundaries for Gilchrist.
The ball was in the block.
सलामी जोड़ी का आत्मविश्वास टीम की जीत तय कर चुका था।
Gilchrist certainly can let the scoreboard race when he's on song.
महारूफ के ओवर में आया ऑस्ट्रेलियाई पारी का पहला छक्का, हेडन का करारा प्रहार।
That ball was in the slot, meant to be hit, and he really packs a punch. It's one of those strong men in cricket. Just look at this. Launches into it, and that's gone all the way. Nothing much the Sri Lankans could do at this stage.
Matthew Hayden's on 30 now. From 23 balls.
बल्लेबाजी की अगुवाई कर रहे थे मैथ्यू हेडन।
Big shoulders, big bat. Around the wicket now, Maharoof. Oh, that's a dreadful delivery. Probably felt intimidated by the big 6, so that's 4 wides.
That is an indication of how the Sri Lankans are feeling and playing at this stage. Lacking in concentration.
Oh, that is so nicely struck. That's an expensive over from Maharoof. 90.
इस चौके के साथ 7वें ओवर में 19 रन आए और स्कोर हो गया 73 रन।
So not the entertainment, but it's coming now. Huge hit again all the way along the ground. big stride going forward.
Yes, that's bludgeoned really away. It's a lot of muscle and power.
श्रीलंका को अब भी पहले विकेट की तलाश थी।
The length.
मलिंगा की यॉर्कर लेंथ बॉल सीधे पहुंची लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री के बाहर। हेडन ने इसी ओवर में तय कर दिया कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया 10-11 ओवर में ही सेमीफाइनल में जाने का रास्ता तय कर लेगी।
Then as soon as it was meant to be hit, went over the top, will be gone this time. Matthew Hayden is 188 runs in this tournament, the highest scorer in terms of aggregate.
Okay, we think we got the communication lines open now to Graham Gooch. Gooch, you're there with Michael Clark.
Yep, down on the boundary here with Michael Clark. Great performance by your bowlers, mate, and magnificent effort by the fielders to back them up.
Yeah, thanks, Graham. Yeah, we did. We bowled fantastic once again. I think that was the key today, and obviously holding your catches always helps, but I think we got off to a pretty good start with Haydos and Gilly, and hopefully they can continue and finish it off for us.
Yeah, it's looking like you're going to go through pretty easily here to a semi-final, possibly in Durban against South Africa.
I think, obviously, we're going to wait for results with Pakistan and Bangladesh today, but assuming Pakistan win, I think we are in Durban. Obviously, again, as well, if we win this game, we end up in Durban.
And just one other thing, you've had a few injuries. Captain Ricky Ponting with a hammy, and it's affected Shane Watson as well. How's he?
Yeah, look, I don't know how bad Watto's hammy is. Fingers crossed, hopefully not too bad, but I'm pretty sure it's the same leg as previous injury. So, like I say, fingers crossed, hopefully he'll pull up okay. And Ricky's obviously done his hammy as well, so not the perfect start to what's going to be a long summer, hopefully for us. But fingers crossed, we've got one of the greatest physios in there, so I know he'll have him on the bench and fix him.
Well, he must be working overtime. You better watch your hamstrings, mate. Okay, back to the commentary box.
Thanks, Gucci. So, yeah, problems in the Australian dressing room. Shane Watson and Ricky Ponting.
Yes, Australia would be looking to try and win this tournament without two of their players. There you are, that's
Ricky Ponting there. He's going to be very, very disappointed. I think it's the first hamstring injury he's ever suffered. Oh, dear. Muscular blow from Hayden. 49 now, Matthew Hayden, from just 35 balls. That's his 7th boundary. So 93 for no wicket. 9 runs required.
इसके साथ ही हेडन ने अपने 50 रन पूरे कर लिए। इस टूर्नामेंट में ये उनका तीसरा अर्धशतक था और वो टॉप स्कोरर थे।
That's been a super innings again, hasn't it, Ranjit? He's terrific to watch, and if it's not happening at his end, it's happening at the other end with Gilchrist.
10 ओवर में 94 रन बना चुकी ऑस्ट्रेलिया जीत से सिर्फ 8 रन दूर थी।
too much of the shorter game, but he seems to thrive so much in any form of cricket. He's such a powerful hitter on the ball. His bowlers have always been at his mercy.
There's 7 boundaries and the 6, strike rate of 138.9. The 6 was measured at 80 metres. Change of bowling. Jahan Mubarak is on, and I'm not sure how much he's bowled in this 2020. It's the first time I've seen him bowl. So 96 for no wicket, and it is in fact the first time that Jahan Mubarak has been called upon to bowl. 6 runs required. Will they finish it off with a
इस बेस्ट शॉट के साथ हेडन ने अपनी टीम की जीत का ऐलान किया। श्रीलंकाई टीम हर मोर्चे पर मात खा चुकी थी।
Matthew Hayden has finished off the match with a 6. And this has been a complete and utter outclassing of Sri Lanka.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने 10 विकेट से जीतकर सेमीफाइनल में धमाकेदार एंट्री की।
Won this match, a virtual quarter-final by 10 wickets.
Yes, the finish really was predictable. Finishing it off with a 6 that was hit right into the stands, and a comprehensive win by Australia. Just look at the way it was finished. Mubarak dispatched right to the top deck of that stand. Shot with great power. Going to see a lot more from Hayden in this tournament.
20 रन देकर 4 विकेट लेने वाले स्टुअर्ट क्लार्क मैन ऑफ द मैच बने। T20 वर्ल्ड कप 2007 के सेमीफाइनल में इसके बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मुकाबला हुआ था टीम इंडिया से, जहां टीम इंडिया ने उसे करारी शिकस्त दी थी। T20 धमाका में आज इतना ही। नमस्कार।